how to fix TikTok account not recommended problem. So if you want to fix TikTok account not recommended problem, then what you need to do is you need to just watch this video. This usually happens due to content issues or account settings. So here are the working fixes. First, check your account status. So open up your TikTok, go with your profile, which will be in the bottom right, and then go with the 3 horizontal lines, which will be in the top right. And here, go with settings and privacy. From settings and privacy, you need to scroll down. You will have creator tools option and check if any videos violate guidelines. Remove or edit them. Step 2 is to remove community guideline violations. So open up your recent videos and delete the content that may include copyright material, reused content, sensitive or restricted topics. This helps restore recommendation eligibility. Step 3 is switch to a personal account or a creator account. So go with the 3 horizontal lines, which will be in the top right. Go with settings and privacy. And here you need to go with account or privacy, which will be on the bottom of that account. And then go and turn on your private account and your problem might be fixed. Or step 4, avoid spam activity. Do not post too many videos at once and use unrelated hashtags or copy content from other creators. Spam signals can reduce recommendations. Step 5 is stay active with original content. Upload original videos regularly. Use trending sounds and effects. Engage with comments and viewers. That's how you can fix your TikTok account not recommended problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.